What's up, everybody? Here I am at the Ellesmere Canyon in Santa Clarita, California. I have not been here for like 2 or 3 months, so I thought I'd revisit this trail again because I remember it's a really great technical trail going down. But to get up, it's hell on earth because look how steep this is and look how loose this is. Especially after this past couple of days, it's been raining, so it's like really muddy. But let's go up it anyway. I'll see you guys up there. Yep, we're at the junction where it becomes Ellesmere Canyon. Some people say that is Ellesmere Canyon right there, but when I look at trail forks or even MTB projects, it just says that Ellesmere Canyon is this way. So you guys feel free to correct me if I'm going the wrong way for Ellesmere Canyon, because I've only been on this path, not on that path over there. But I like this path. This is a short and simple trail. I just had limited time today, so just wanted something quick and simple. But I'll do a longer trail or even more technical trail next time. So let's do this. I forgot to lock my suspension right here. It's a really sandy, exposed part, so I think I got it. Yes. Okay, great. Now this is like 2 days after it rained, so it may be a bit loose. If that is the case, I'll have to go a bit slower. Yes. Oh wow. Bunch of rocks everywhere. So loose here. Yeah, so nice. Yeah. Have a good one, my friend. You too. Thank you. I think I took this side last time. Well, actually, I took that side. Let me try it right here. Yes. Wow, I just love this amazing view. Just looking at from this rock right here. Let me take a look. But yeah, to get up to this trail, it gets really steep, especially at this part. It's really sandy and loose. Gotta put it at the easiest gear to get up this. Yep, I always enjoy seeing beautiful views like this whenever I'm in Santa Clarita or Newhall or in Castaic, just anywhere in this general area. And hopefully I get to see more trails than just here, but a little more everywhere. So anyway, let's go down this trail together. Yep, bunch of loose rock everywhere. Gotta pick my lines right. It's a lot more looser than on video. You gotta come here to see how big these little rocks are that get in the way. bunch of them. Okay, good thing I picked this line. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, this way. Bit of a minor uphill with still a bunch of loose rock and loose sand everywhere. What the hell? Damn. Gotta pick my lines right again. I think I took right last time. Or was it left? Oh yeah, Ellesmere Canyon is this way. Let's keep going this way. That's it. Ooh, so much loose rock everywhere. Oh no, not that way. This way. Okay. Okay, continuing down. Let's go. Oh, whoa. Nice. Okay. Yep. Gotta have your depth perception here so you can utilize every inch of a trail. That's why I love technical trails like this. Okay. Okay. Still go down this way. Whew, so loose. Damn. Damn. Good thing I'm good at this. Well, somewhat good at this. Yes. Nice. Brakes on point. Yeah, at this point you really gotta rely on your brakes. Like butter, more like peanut butter crunch. Oh hi, oh hi guys. Hi there. Oh wow, that was sick. Okay, so great. Good flow everywhere. I mean, a little bit of flow, but it was really technical earlier. Okay. Yes. Amazing. Yep. Still got it. Ooh, great. We made it. And of course, who can't forget the steep uphill afterwards right here. I'll never forget it, no matter how many times I come here. Let's time-lapse this. Let's continue down. super good. Amazing. And that's the end of this video. Hopefully next time I'll go to East Canyon, because I've seen so many good videos of it over there. I'm gonna have to try it out. I'll see you guys next time.